From here, go ahead and come all the way back up. Tabletop pose, all fours position. From here, you're going to slide your hands forward about 3 or 4 inches. So your hands are out in front of your shoulders. And then you're going to tuck the toes underneath the feet. And then you're going to lift the hips all the way up to the sky into a downward facing dog. Now this is our first downward facing dog in the beginning series. So let's do this. Spread your feet off of your yoga mat all the way onto the floor. So you widen your stance. And then also bring your feet forward about 2 inches. So it's a wide down dog, and it's also a short downward facing dog. And this should make it feel a little bit more accessible. Now you're spreading your fingers really wide. And there's something about really increasing the surface of the hand connected to the ground that allows you to make more contact into the ground. And then you drive through the palms. You lift up through the hips, imagining that your body is shaped like a mountain. And your tailbone is the peak or the apex of the mountain. Your heels descend downward. You get that stretch of the backs of the legs. You let the head relax. The face stays soft. And that beautiful, wonderful quality where you're strengthening the body, but you're also lengthening that body.